Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Moore. I'm calling. Hope things are going good for you at home. I just want to touch base yesterday on our exit ticket on our Google form. There was this question that is showing up right here asking what is the name of this shape. And most of you noticed since we came up to an apex point right here that it is a pyramid like the Egyptian pyramids. It has triangles going up, but the way we name it is by the shape of the base. And if we notice right here, the base right here has four sides. So we know it's a pyramid. We know it's either this one right here or it's going to be a square pyramid right here. Square pyramid was the correct answer because the bottom is a square. So once again, make sure whenever you're naming pyramids or prisms, you name it by the shape of the base. So if we have pyramids right here on this one right here, this would be a rectangular pyramid because it has a rectangle base. This one right here would be a triangular pyramid. This pyramid right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides on it. So it would be a pentagonal pyramid. And this pretty Easter colored one, the base has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides on it. So this one would be a hexagonal pyramid. All right, hope you are doing well. Today we'll be talking about edges and faces and vertices. All right, have a wonderful day, and I hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye.